Hi guys, here is Join Team. Today I will show the fold harness how to connect join Android head unit. Okay, let me show it. It's for fold and 2007 years up. We bought Access. You can check back applications for food. You can check food and linking value made in USA. Access. Okay, let me take out. When you receive join head unit, you will get this wiring diagram come with head unit. You can, according to this paper, to install your head unit. Okay, let me take out the this menu, access menu, and this harness for detect interface. Okay, this for the harness. This for the harness, and this is one. This is one. This is two. Okay, I will introduce one. You can check this access user menu, and you can check. Let me show this applications model. Okay, I will show the one. Okay, you can. This harness for join ISO standard harness. I already made this connector. You can connect this decoder box. Connect as well. Okay, you can check this one. I will show this one harness, and when you get this, you can check 6-pin harness to join radio. You can check this wiring how to connect it. Okay, let me show it. You can check this yellow and black. Connect black wire for ground wire, yellow for battery wire, 12 voltage, and you have to connect find the two red wire. You can check find the two red wire. This two red wire connects the join ACC wire, ACC red wire with the cover electronic tape, and you have to connect this red wire, yellow wire to car battery with 12 voltage, and the GND wire black. You can check this join paper instruction show. You can check red and black, yellow, black GND. You need to connect this 3 wire to start the head unit. You have to connect this 3 wire to start. Okay, I will show it. When you get harness for the food, you need to connect this decoder box. Okay, connect as well. And this connector special for food. You can check. This phone speaker car speaker, and 12 harness is for steering wheel control, and the other harness. Okay, this is connect to for the factory car plug. This is joining connector, and you can check this paper. Connect the back of head unit by here, and this white dark green. When you can check the yellow and ground. You have to connect yellow wire connect together, and connect GND wire, GND black wire connect together. This have to connect with it. Okay. Then I will show. You can check the access instruction. You can check the original white wire for illumination wire. Okay. You can check the original white wire illumination, and the original and white wire with connect this for button lights control. You can check this original white for illumination wire for button lights. Okay. Also, you can check the blue wire to the AMP. The join AMP wire is for this one. This is for AMP 12 voltage. You can check AMP 12 voltage connect blue and white wire. You can check this blue wire AMP. Okay. Then you need to connect a white wire speaker for front positive speaker out, and this white black for left front negative speaker, gray and gray back. This front right positive speaker, and gray black for right front negative speaker out. You need to connect find the front speakers. This is front speakers, and this one you to pair the wire, white back, gray back. You can according to the join. This front left for white, and the front right for gray white. One wire pair one wire. Okay. I need to have to say. You also can check if your head unit, if your vehicle contains Sony and THX amplifier system, you have to connect gray back, purple and purple back. You can check this wire. Gray, and this one is gray. Gray black. This purple black, and the purple black cover with an electronic tape. You also can check this gray wire for rear left speakers, purple wire for rear right speakers. You can check this instruction for gray and purples. Okay. Then you can check this already for the black and yellow wire, this for, and you can check if your vehicle doesn't not have Sony NON-THX system, you do not connect this violet black and gray black, you do not connect this 3 wire. Please do not connect it. You can check this in instruction. Okay, you need to check this instruction. 16 pin harness to join radio, and this note and this note you need to clear by this instruction. Okay, I will show the ASWC-1 harness. This for steering wheel control. You can find the steering wheel control with this connector for steering wheel control, and you need to find join harness steering wheel K1 and K2. Okay, you can check this join paper, K brown pin and K1 and K2 for key study. For key study steering wheel control is K1 and K2. You need to connect this this K1 and K2. You can check this connector, and you need to this adapter for steering wheel control, and connect K1 and K2. Have to connect background wire. Have to connect background wire. You can check this ASWC-1. You can not include. You can check not include. You can buy it from Access. It's not include. Okay. For steering wheel control. Okay, other you can check this this adapter, and extra features you all can check in here, and that's all. And you can check if your card have amplifier, you need to connect this RCA by back of head unit to output the sound. You can check this this for subwoofer, connect the subwoofer, and this for set. You can check the connect this sub output the sound from back of head unit. You can check this paper, and for the wiring, and I'm not to connect the folder value on value. And the other harness from join, I will show it. You can check this for AMP wire. This for radio antenna power 12 voltage, and the brake wire. Please do not need to connect it. You do not connect backup camera in, and back wire for detect wire, trigger wire. You need to connect trigger wire when you connect backup camera. and other wire I already show it. Okay, it's down for this 01. I will show these applications is for the vehicle. You can check this available with these vehicles. Okay. Okay, this is 2. You can check 2. Okay. You take out the harness. You can connect this decoder box. Connect as well. Okay. This for factory car plug. Factory car plug. Okay. This also join harness. I will show it. You can also check this two and connect. When you need to connect two red wire to ignition wire, find the 2 wire. You also can check this. This is join harness. You can check this 2 wire. These 2 red wire connect ACC join harness wire. Okay, and you can check original wire to connect this illumination wire. For button lights control, you can original wire connect illumination join harness, and check original and white illumine. Okay, and you can check this blue wire turn on the AMP. You can find the blue wire. This is blue white wire. Blue white wire connect AMP amplifier with 12 voltage. Okay, you also can check other wire for this for white front speakers, and green for front speakers. This speakers wire you can check join harness paper, and the white for left front positive speak out. You can check the white front left positive, and according to this wire diagram, and the gray to connect the blue. This is gray and gray white pair wire and white wire. You can check this paper for front left speaker, front right speaker, positive to positive to positive, negative to negative wire. Also same as the gray wire for front right car speaker. Okay. You also can check this only Sony and NON-THX amplifier system. If you can have amplifier system, you need to connect green and purple real wire. You can check this on this harness. You can check this this for this wire and unjoin harness. For this wire you need to cut. You can cut the harness. Okay, you can check if you can have amplifier, you need to pair this blue negative or purple black wire to connect this wire, and purple wire connects this wire. This wire connects this wire, and green wire connects this green wire, and this is green black connect green black connect together. Okay, you can check this for real, for green, and real left, purpose real right. This for amplifier system. Okay. You also can check this other this for RCA and AUX in, or connect this node, or this and this do not connect this without amplifier system. Follow these instructions. You have to connect back and the yellow wire. You have connect back and the yellow wire. Find the back and the yellow wire. Connect GND ground wire and the yellow wire. BAT yellow wire. Connect it. You have to connect this wire, black and ground yellow wire. Then blue wire for turn on. Blue wire antenna turn on the radio. You can check this blue wire for power on the radio antenna for the blue wire, and other you can check this harness for this and connect the back join head unit, output the sounds from here. And for the next I will show ASWC-1 harness. This not include. So you need to buy it from Access. So you can check this wire for steering wheel control K1 and K2. You can check join harness K1 and K2. You can connect this by this adapter. And connect K1 and K2. You have to connect the GND ground. You have to check this menu. Sorry, I need to check it. Disconnect one. ASWC-1 harness not include. You need to buy it from Access. And as extra features, you can check the AUX in and other connect this connector on back of head unit, and it just instruction by here, and that's all. That's all I will show. This other harness you need to do not connect other harness. This is backup camera, and you can check this one. This one you do not need to connect it. You do not connect it. Okay, that's all. That's all. Thank you. This is a testing device for joint head unit. That's joint single DIN head unit, new developed from joint. Okay.